Mr. 3 comes to school to be part of the class. He introduces himself as a role model to the children. His favorite color is blue. He lives in the Matheson Forest on Number Street in the 3rd number house. He has a blue house and likes everything to be in threes in his house. He has 3 flowers, 3 chimneys, 3 trees, and 3 dots on his house. His door number is 3. Mr. 3's doorbell rings 3 times. The children also introduce themselves to Mr. 3. They talk about what their names are, where they live, how old they are, what they like and dislike, their favorite color, favorite games, numbers, clothes. After the introduction, the children take Mr. 3 to his house and let him rest in his house until the next journey. Exploring colors in life blue. Introduction of the color blue as a primary color and the character Mr. 3. Read the story of Mr. 3 using the pictures and talk about how he sees the forest in the color blue. In what colors do you see the forest? Close your eyes and paint your forest with a color you like. Paint the picture of Mr. 3's house in blue. Use any color to paint your own house. For visually impaired children, the focus can be on the different textures of blue. Talk about Mr. 3's favorite color blue and his house full of blue objects. Bring different objects that are blue and analyze them by using the 5 senses. Mr. 3 needs a new house. Go to Mr. 3's house to knock the old house down and build him a new one. Follow the arrows to his house. Build Mr. 3's broken house, which is blue. Working on 4-step directions. Children will grasp the block, then lift it up, move it to the side, then put it down, and finally release it in an assigned big circle. Mr. 3 is tidying his room. Sort Mr. 3's favorite blue toys and put them in 3 blue baskets and count them. This activity can be replicated when introducing other primary colors and numbers. Mr. 3 needs more furniture and objects in his room. Go to the Matheson market to buy 3 blue objects for Mr. 3's new house using 3 coins. This can easily be included during physical sessions. Make 3 blue necklaces for Mr. 3 to wear at the blue party. Large circular beads for blue painted circular pasta can be used for the activity. Blue party for Mr. 3's birthday. This activity can be combined with a blue shirt snack and blue decoration activity whenever it's possible. The children can wear blue on the day. Put 3 drops of blue paint in the water to see the shades of blue. Mr. 3 likes his wooden triangles. Mr. 3 likes to play with his wooden triangles. Paint 3 wooden triangles in blue with the children and let them play. Different sizes of wooden triangles to sort by size, either big, small, or big, medium, small. Visiting neighbors with Mr. 3. Set up number street with arrows and houses. Place Mr. 3 in his house and talk about his neighbors. Say hi to Mr. 1, Miss 2, and introduce yourself to boy 4. Mr. 3's special jar on under the table. Mr. 3's special transparent jar with 3 things in it for visual learning. He likes putting 3 blue items in his jars every week and likes keeping them on and under the table. Blue object hunt in the forest for Mr. 3. We are looking for Mr. 3's lost, big and small, blue toys in the forest. Find and sort them by size. Please remember that each group needs to have 3 same objects like 3 big blue markers. Blue artwork for Mr. 3's house as a gift. Make 3 blue collage art pieces to give Mr. 3 to hang up in his new house. Dinner at Mr. 3's house, helping him set up the table for 3. We are helping Mr. 3 to set the table. The teacher can present many items in a box and ask the children to help Mr. 3 for placing the 3 blue items on the table. The children can also distribute 3 foods to the plates equally.